This is subtraction with the stamp game. This star means that it is a dynamic subtraction problem, which means that we will be regrouping or borrowing. So I start by writing out the problem. 7,626 minus 2,854. Now I'm going to make the larger number. So I start in my units place, and I'm going to put out 6 units. Four, 5, and 6. Then in my tens place, I'm going to put 2 tens. 10 and 20. In my hundreds place, I'm going to put 6 hundreds. 1, this one's hopping away from me. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And finally, in my thousands place, I'm going to put 7 thousands. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So again, I always start in my units place. So I have 6 minus 4. So 2, 4. I took the 4 away, and I'm left with 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. In my tens place, I have 2 minus 5. I can't take 5 away from 2. So here's what I have to do. I'm going to make an exchange, and I'm going to exchange 100 for 10 tens, because 10 tens make 100. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to trade it in for 10 of these. And I'm going to count them out and lay them out here on my sheet. So I've got 10, not including these 2 up here. So I'm going to divide them up a little bit and leave a little space. So I've got 2, 4, 6, which of course is really 60, these are tens, 80, 100. So this is equivalent to one of these. So that's why I was able to make that trade. Here's how I write it on my paper. I cross out this 6 because now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds. And I cross out this 2, and I have 2 plus 10 more. 10 plus 2 is 12. Now I can do 12 minus 5. So I'm going to count out 2, 4, 5. I'm going to put those back in the pile, and that leaves me with 2, 4, 6, 7. And I'm going to put 7 in my tens place. So far I have 72. Now I have 5 minus 8. Again, I can't do that. So same thing. I'm going to go next door. I'm going to take this 1,000, and I'm going to trade it in for 10 tens, just like I did before. Well, this time I'm doing 10 hundreds. Last time I did 10 tens, this time I have 10 hundreds, because 10 hundreds make 1,000. So again, they are equal to one another. So I've got 6, 8, one more pair of 2, 10. Scooch it up so you guys can see it. So now I have 6 thousands, and I have 5 plus 10, 15 tens. So now I'm going to, I can set tens again, 15 hundreds. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have 15 minus 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm going to take these away, and that leaves me with 7. So 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 hundredths. Finally, I have 6 minus 2. And that leaves me with 4. So my answer is 4,772. And that's how to do subtraction with the stamp game.